In this video, I'm going to show you how to record advance payment from customer in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the plus button top left where it says Create, and you want to go to Customers and click on Receive Payment. In here, you can of course receive your payment by selecting your customer, so I'm going to select a random one over here, for example this one, and then you have to set your payment date. You can select of course if you want to record payment or charge a new payment, and then down here you can go where it says Payment Method. You can of course select it. I'm going to do cash right now. You can add a reference number, and then you can select where you want to deposit. So this is going to be your account. For me, I'm going to go to cash or cash equivalent, and then over here you want to put your amount received. So let's just do $100 right now, and then you don't actually have to assign this to any of these invoices over here. So I'm just going to check this like that over here. As you can see, amount to apply, amount to credit, it's put in $100. So what you can then do is just simply click on the record button over here, and it's going to basically tell you that you didn't select any invoices. And of course you can still do this, so you can just click on save as a credit, and that's going to get saved just like this, and you've successfully done it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.